Are you having money problems? Do you struggle to save money or make ends meet because you live paycheck to paycheck? If this is the case, you're not alone. It might be challenging to figure out how to turn things around when you find yourself in this circumstance. But you can start to get a better handle on your money by noticing and changing some patterns. In this video, we'll examine 5 habits that might lead to financial instability and discuss how to get rid of them. 1. Overspending on your budget. Living above your means is one of the most common reasons that might cause financial difficulties. This can occur in a number of ways, including through excess credit card use, taking out too many debts, or simply spending more than you make. Living above your means might result in a never-ending debt cycle where you continually attempt to catch up on your payments but never quite succeed. You need to start living within your means if you want to quit this behavior. This entails creating a budget and following it and eliminating wasteful spending. I know I was always swiping my credit card and I was like, I'll just, pay the balance off when the next bill is due. But I was always just making the minimum payments. And so, of course, I ended up in credit card debt. 2. Ignoring your budget. One of the most crucial tools you can use to take charge of your finances is a budget. It's simple to overspend and lose sight of where your money is going without a budget. You must first make a list of all of your incomes and whatever outgoing expenses you have. Then construct a budget. After that, you'll be able to track where your money is going and make, the needed adjustments. For me, I was spending a lot of money eating out. So I started cooking more meals at home and bringing my lunch to the office. If you find this video helpful, then share it with a friend. 3. Not saving. Avoiding saving is another behavior that might lead to financial instability. This can occur for a number of reasons, including the belief that you don't have enough money to save, or just that you're not really thinking about it. But if you don't save, it might be hard to plan for the future or deal with unexpected financial problems. You need to start saving for retirement and emergencies if you want to quit this behavior. Even a small amount over time will add up. 4. Impulse purchases. Your money may suffer if you make impulse purchases for expensive items or items that you don't really need. Impulse purchasing is frequently motivated by feelings of stress or boredom. You must be more careful with your spending if you want to change this habit. Ask yourself if you truly need the item. If you can really afford it. Is there a less expensive option before making a purchase? Amazon was my weakness. When I saw a cool gadget online, I would go straight to Amazon to buy it. Even though my purchases individually were small, they added up quickly. 5. Investing without doing enough research. Without enough study and expertise in investing in stocks can result in some really bad choices and probably financial loss. Before making an investment, it's crucial to do your homework and understand the market and the asset that you're trying to invest in. You should start by learning about investing in order to break the habit, and you should see a financial expert if necessary. My video on 5 investment tips for beginners will help you with this. I'll leave it linked below. Although it won't be simple, it is possible to break these habits. It requires a lot of self-control and work and time. You can start to improve your financial situation and get to a stable place if you can see and fix these problems. Never forget that it's never too late to start managing your money and that even little adjustments can have a major impact over time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.